Let's give her a round of applause.
Sister Maria Loretti Esparga OP, our Directors Principal, Sister Caroline Terencia OP, our local prioress, Dominican Sisters, Miss Maria Rusty B. Arbon, our Vice Principal for Academics, Department Heads, members of the faculty, esteemed parents and guests, and fellow graduates. Good afternoon. Today is a very special day where we celebrate a major milestone in our lives, where we recognize and acknowledge everyone's hard work, sacrifices, and endeavors. This is an event that marks the ending of a significant chapter of our lives and the beginning of a new one. It just feels surreal that we are finally graduating because it feels as if yesterday I stepped on the doors of Dominican College for the very first time. To my fellow graduates, I would like to start by congratulating each and every one of you for making it this far. We finally conquered each challenge and made it to this point. That's why you all must be proud of yourselves for your unwavering perseverance. Becoming the first honor and receiving the high honors was my last goal before leaving Dominican College. And successfully achieving this goal filled me with so much joy. And I felt like all my endeavors and the challenges I encountered were all worth it. The journey to these achievements was never easy. There were moments of self-doubt, stress, and anxiety, as well as constant pressure and burnout. I remember all the sleepless nights and long hours of studying and reading textbooks to prepare for quizzes and examinations, hoping to get high marks and scores. There were also times of disappointment when I felt like I did not get the results that I wanted. During these times, all I wanted was to take a break. All I wanted was to stop for a while and rest from all the exhaustion I was feeling. Despite the times I felt like giving up, I did not let those feelings hinder me from my goal. I thought to myself to just keep striving and fighting, and that everything would be worth it in the end. Now, as the commencement exercises come to an end, I would like to share and leave you with some values and beliefs that I instilled as I worked and struggled towards my main objective. The first value is discipline. I believe it is one of the keys to victory. It is having self-control and prioritizing what is crucial for your success. It is staying focused and dedicated no matter what happens. Discipline is about building good habits and work ethic and avoiding distractions that may hinder you from your goal. Another value is integrity. Achieving success is not always about the result or outcome, but it is about how you attain it. It feels very fulfilling if success comes from your hard work while staying committed to doing what is right and just in every step of your journey. Like the value of our school, Veritas, meaning truth, we must always work towards success with honesty, trust, and honor. The third value is resilience. Of course, there will always be setbacks or failures at some point in our lives. Instead of shying away from these moments, we must face them with determination and courage. That is why it is important to have a fighter mindset instead of running away from challenges. we must learn how to bounce back from defeat and overcome different trials and obstacles. Lastly, we must never forget the value of faith, because with God, everything is possible. With Him, we will feel more inspired and guided, and knowing He is by our side will give us the strength to keep going. To my teachers, I am very grateful for your dedication to teaching, educating, and sharing your knowledge with us students. Each of you played a big role in my growth as a student, and I am forever grateful for your passion in teaching and continuously motivating and inspiring us to strive for academic excellence. Throughout my years at Dominican College, you've shaped and molded my knowledge, which is why my achievements wouldn't have been possible without your support. To my friends and classmates, thank you for all the memories. Thank you for being my companions throughout the years. And I feel so much joy knowing that we are all ending this chapter and celebrating this milestone together. Thank you for making my stay at Dominican College worth remembering and unforgettable. I'll always remember all the fun activities we've experienced together, from events like field trips, retreats, the college fair, and sports fest. These moments will hold a special place in my heart, and I'm very glad to be able to experience all of this with you. To all parents, we would like to thank you for your unwavering love for all of us. This milestone wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you for all of your sacrifices and words of encouragement that helped us with our accomplishments. My journey to this point was quite a challenging one, and I never could have done it without the support of my parents. To my mom and dad, your words of wisdom and advice shaped who I am. Your guidance played a huge role in my self-growth as an individual and as a student. You taught me how to be responsible, independent, and disciplined, which I will forever be grateful for. The values you instilled in me truly define my character. Even though I may not say it often, I would like you to know how much I cherish each piece of advice, encouragement, and even the criticisms you've given me, which pushed me to strive to be better each day. You've seen me at the lowest and highest points of my life, yet you stayed patient and understanding with me, and I am forever thankful for that. Thank you for always pushing me to be a better person each day, not just in academics, but in character. To the non-teaching staff, such as the maintenance and general services, the security personnel, and the canteen staff, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for your hard work, service, and dedication to the school. To our dedicated parent officers, thank you for all your efforts in organizing enjoyable and exciting events for us students this year. Your hard work in making our last year at Dominican College a memorable one is truly appreciated. Furthermore, I would also like to express how grateful I am for the school providing me an opportunity not to just excel in academics, but also a platform to showcase my passion for singing and music. I always love to perform and sing in front of everyone during events, and I would like to thank the school for giving me that chance. Lastly, I would like to thank our almighty and everlasting God. None of this would have been possible without Him. I am deeply thankful for His unconditional love and guidance throughout my life. He gave me the strength to go on and persevere towards my goals. And knowing He is right by my side pushed me to work harder for my dreams and to never give up. To my fellow grade 12 graduates, it is a bittersweet feeling knowing we're ending this chapter together. As we celebrate the end of our high school years, I would like to wish each one of you the best of luck on your college journey. It may be hard to say goodbye, but I'm rooting for each and every one of your successes. Though it may be sad to part ways, all we can think about are the memories we created together. We should be proud of ourselves for everything we've accomplished and look forward to what lies ahead in the next chapter of our lives. In whatever path you decide to take, always remember to believe in yourself, that you can do anything as long as you are dedicated and committed to your goals. Before I end my speech, I would like to bid farewell to Bennington College, which has been my home for the past 12 years. I am very thankful for the school being a huge part of my life and for helping me become the person I am today. I feel nothing but grateful for all my fellow batchmates and teachers for making my stay here worthwhile and memorable. Once again, congratulations to my fellow graduates. Thank you and have a blessed afternoon.
Thank you, Jolies.